Hey everyone. In this quick guide, I'm going to show you how to share a ClickUp space. So your team can access everything in one place. It's simple, so let's walk through it. First, open ClickUp and look at the left sidebar. Find the space you want to share and hover over it. You'll see three dots, just click those. In the menu that pops up, click Space Settings. This is where you control members, permissions, and privacy for the whole space. Inside settings, look on the left side and click sharing and permissions. This is the main panel for inviting people into the space. Now you'll see a big invite people box. Type the email of the person you want to add, and you can add multiple emails too. Click invite to send the request. After they're added, choose what they can do in the space. You can set them as a member, a guest, or an admin, depending on how much control you want them to have. Just pick the level that makes sense for your team. If you want to share the space with clients or external users, you can invite them as guests. Guests only see what you allow, so check your privacy settings before sending it. And that's it. That's how you share a ClickUp space with your team or clients. It keeps everyone aligned and makes managing big projects a whole lot easier. Thanks for watching, and feel free to check out the next ClickUp guide.